This week, a federal judge is hearing arguments from 4 people charged in the Georgia election interference case. They're hoping to have their cases moved from Fulton County to federal court. That started with attorneys for former Department of Justice official Jeffrey Clark this morning. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us now to explain what's going to happen next.
There are 19 people charged with trying to overturn the 2020 presidential election in Georgia. So it's not that surprising we're seeing different legal strategies play out. Let's break it down. In Fulton County, Kenneth Chesbrough and Sidney Powell requested a speedy trial, so their case is severed from the rest. Right now, Fulton County is issuing subpoenas for 900 prospective jurors in that trial. Half of them will appear on October 20th and half on October 27th. 5 others are trying to get their cases moved to federal court by proving they acted within the scope of their federal duties at the time of the alleged crimes. Judge Steve C. Jones denied the initial motion from former White House Chief of Staff Mark Meadows last week. Meadows is now waiting on a decision from the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals. Attorneys for former DOJ official Jeffrey Clark appeared in federal court this morning. They said the former president had the authority to ask Clark in his official DOJ role to look at election issues, so he did. Clark's attorneys said he was offering a legal opinion on claims of election fraud. They were private recommendations that didn't go anywhere. The state said Clark made false statements and argued that he acted outside the scope of his authority. That ruling could take a few days. On Wednesday, 3 more defendants will request moves to federal court. That includes former Georgia Republican head David Schaefer, current state senator Sean Still, and former Coffee County GOP chair Kathy Latham. And it's possible this case could split up even more. The former president has hinted that he may try and move his case to federal court as well. He would have to do that in the next couple of weeks.
Grace King, thank you so much.